Hi, I'm Cheryl Logan, and you're watching Soup for the Soul. We record this series to keep you informed of the great things happening in our Omaha Public Schools community. Today, we're at Sunny Slope Elementary. It's always sunny at Sunny Slope. Sunny Slope Elementary started as a one-room schoolhouse in the 1890s and joined the Omaha Public Schools community in 1958. Sunny Slope moved into its current location in 1973. Principal Mindy Grimm is hosting us today. And we're in Miss Aliano's classroom, the library. Thank you for welcoming us. We're in the fourth quarter of the school year. Spring is here and there is so much to be excited about. Bond work at our 5 new schools is on schedule. Buena Vista High School, Westview High School, Forest Station Elementary, and Pine Elementary are all set to open in August. Crews are delivering furniture, construction teams are putting the finishing touches on our learning spaces, and the warmer weather means athletic fields are getting attention too. Our 5th new school, Bluestem Middle, will be ready to welcome new students in August of 2023. Keep checking our district social media for the latest construction photos and videos. A reminder that in August, our new high school boundaries and student assignment plan take effect. Our district has communicated with impacted families since fall of 2019 when our board approved new boundaries. That included hundreds of individual phone calls to families ensuring we're sharing the most accurate information for their child. That commitment to communicate reflects our ethic of care for the community we serve. Recently, our Board of Education approved updates to our plan for federal ESSAR funds. ESSAR is short for the Elementary and Secondary School Emergency Relief Funds. There are specific guidelines set by the federal government directing what the money can be used for and when it must be used by. Last summer, to develop our plan, Omaha Public Schools hosted more than 75 community engagement meetings. Our plan's 4 pillars include academic recovery and acceleration, the well-being of our students and staff, infrastructure for the future, family and community engagement. A year into the work, we have a better picture of what can be accomplished within the time frame. After another community engagement meeting this winter and Board of Education approval, we'll shift $24 million toward teacher recruitment, academic resources, and work for the well-being of students and staff. You can read about our complete ESSAR plan at ops.org. Just click on ESSAR 2 and 3 spending plan under students and families. Omaha Public Schools is 2 years into our strategic plan of action. It's the roadmap of our work, focusing on academics, staff, financial accountability, and our ethic of care. Even through the pandemic, the plan guides our work, like recruiting and retaining the best staff, investing in teacher pipelines, which we can see in our summer intern program, deploying one-to-one technology for every student in our district, adopting an elementary reading and literacy curriculum, and reading recovery in our turnaround schools, just to name a few. With those accomplishments, we're reaching for new heights. This winter, our board approved updated goals around increasing student attendance, developing a long-term plan for technology, inventory, and replacement, and the quality of our facilities. Have you seen our middle school websites? It's another project outlined in our strategic plan of action. These data-driven upgrades put our most popular pages front and center. The information you're looking for is easier than ever to find. In the past year, we've launched a new district site, high school sites, and now middle school sites. Look for new elementary school websites this fall. This week also begins spring testing for many of our students. We encourage all families to ensure students are well rested and participate in school breakfast. This is valuable every day, but especially when students have to demonstrate that knowledge that we know they have. State assessments and MAP testing are 2 ways we monitor a student's strengths and opportunities for academic growth. We have so much to celebrate in Omaha Public Schools. Congratulations are in order to Rod Mullen of Central High for earning History Nebraska's Excellence in Teaching Award, to Anna Hayden, Jonathan Flores Mondragon, and Christian Gallagher of North High for qualifying in the World Robotics Championship, to our state wrestling champions from North High School, Tyler Stewart and Tyson Terry, to Hamdou Erdemi from Buffett Middle School for earning first place at the district spelling bee and moving on to the regional Midwest competition, to Aaliyah Litz of Bancroft Elementary for earning a place among the Presidential Awards for Excellence in Mathematics and Science Teaching recipients, and to the winners of the 2022 African American History Challenge from Mars Middle and Northwest High, and to the Gold Key recipients in the Scholastic Art Awards. And that's it for this edition of Soup for the Soul. Thanks to the team at Sunny Slope Elementary and to you for joining us. Remember to follow me on my official Twitter handle at OPS_Logan Sue. See you next month.